Greetings traders, it's Thursday, April 26th, and I have taken a loss today off of the code 2. I had used the breakout technique and it came and got my stop for about something close to 30 ticks. What this means is that I got the code 2 wrong in my charting, and even though it worked on Monday and Tuesday, it was sort of a deception. I have looked at the charts and I've been studying them for the last 15 minutes or so, and I know what the code is now, and so I will update that for Friday's trading, that there is a new code. The code that we were using is not the real code, not the right code, and now I've figured out what it is. We can use that for Friday, and I'm sorry I got it wrong, but it can be a little bit tricky to figure it out sometimes, and this week has been a bit tricky. So anyway, for you charting subscribers, let me do the charting. I'll show you what the code is, and then we'll take the trade for Friday. Now, I'm not entirely certain that I'll be able to take the trade on Friday because I might be busy and gonna go out, but I'll see if I can stay home and take it. And anyway, I'll be back for the charting service and possibly back for Friday's trading for YouTube. I'll see you then. Happy trading, everyone.